Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we're back in Puglia today in the beautiful town of Mola di Bari, and Pete has found you a jewel. If you want to come move over and be in a place that's absolutely beautifully renovated, in fact, I don't think anybody's lived in it since it was renovated because it looks brand new. All the doors and windows are new. It has central heating. It's 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 55 square meters, and it has a beautiful garden in the back. And it's right around the corner from Stelio's bar and the best cornetti in all of Mola di Bari. And in fact, you are steps from all the supermarkets and the fruit stands, your steps from Puglia and Boca restaurant, your steps from the Piazza, your steps from the sea, and it's a short walk to the train station. This is ideal if you want to live in a town in Puglia and not have a car. Check it out, guys.
So you've got this wonderful property here, totally restored, along a nice, really quiet street right around the corner from Stelio's bar and the Piazza dei Mille. Beautiful property. Okay, let's go and take a look inside. Okay, now this has been totally renovated. So it's got some nice design touches, very neutral. It's got central heating, and also there is a split up here for air conditioning. Notice it's got nice high ceilings. So this is the soggiorno area. Now attached to it is a small storage and laundry room. Also very, very nicely renovated and done. I like the brickwork here. It's really nice. It's got a new sink. Okay, let's go back in through this hallway. Here is the bedroom. It's 1 bedroom. Again, this is actually quite large. Nicely done. And okay, notice the nice high ceiling. I like this arch here. This is a really nice touch. And heating here in the bedroom as well. Okay, let's go back towards the back of the property. Another central heating unit here. This is the kitchen. So you can put in your own kitchen right alongside this wall here with the fridge in the back. And there's a little storage area here, I think, which actually probably has a chimney going up to the top. And here's a nicely done bathroom. Very, very nice finishes and touches. I love the tile. And a shower right over here around the corner. Pretty good size, actually. So that's nice. Okay. And one feature that I really love about this property is this beautiful garden here in back. Now, this is really unusual for properties here in Mola, but you've actually got a nice size, beautiful garden with a little sink, nice tile, all nicely done. And, you know, you could fill this up with other, plant other trees. You could have a nice kitchen garden here. Lots of area, actually. And here's the heating unit for the central heating. And then here's a view of the soggiorno area facing out onto the door. And then from the door, we're along this street here. Actually, Stelio's bar that we go to all the time is right around the corner.